Is it hard to find your place? Somewhere you fit in? Well, why try to fit in when you can be unique, one of a kind, you? Your place in the world is where your dream is. And to dream of being useful is just as distinguished as dreaming of fame and fortune. Just do your thing. They might not even notice it. The work you put in while they sleep. Snow removed. Walkways sanded or cleaned. Their safety and comfort is your focus. Hard work during early mornings and late nights. Working to serve others is not for everyone. It takes a special kind of dedication. No matter the conditions, you go out and do your job. You need to be resilient, strong, even a bit stubborn. And you need to learn to appreciate a task well executed because no one else will see it. They only notice when it's not done right. Norcar is all about service. We are here for you. We are in this together. We are the hard workers, the silent crew, the everyday heroes. We are Norcar. Come join us.